Kayla, look at the kitty.
I'm kind of sadistic in that way. I think that'd be just the ultimate form of punishment. You know, just have like a mister, you know, and have it mist like maybe every minute to 2 minutes, just so when it sprays that shit down, it would fucking burn, and then you'd sit there and deal with the pain for a minute, and then get through it, does it again, you know, it keeps it going for about like an hour, and then after like maybe 4 or 5 hours, you don't want to make sweaty.
Where'd the kitty go?
He's looking all around.
Like the shit on Saw has nothing compared to what I would really want to do.
We found Charlie.
Yeah.
Charlie Dunn came up and ran on me.
Where's Charlie, Kayla? Go get him.
Go get Charlie.
Like making people saw off their own body parts, yeah, that's pretty close to what I wanted them to do, but I wouldn't give them the tools to do it. They'd have to do it with their hands, which makes it like
He's
20
just like,
times
I'm just
worse
gonna
than
move the
the
box.
rib,
Come on, Charlie.
hair,
Charlie.
bite,
Ah!
I
you
don't
know.
think you used to
Get it.
lock it, the box.
At one point,
Kayla.
I was so crazy in my life. I had this place that was very fucked up. Very abusive.
Come on, genius.
I don't know if you ever ran into a fraud like
Hey!
that before. I was just
Alright.
crazy. You know, crazy.
What are you doing? No. Hey, no. Back that way.
Nobody's doing anything like that.
Go on, Charlie.
You need